know what?
Hi, thanks for checking out the Gard ultrasonic animal repeller. The Gard uses silent sounds that won't bother your pets or your birds to repel deer, rabbit, raccoon, skunk, squirrel, stray cats, and even your neighbor's dog that comes in your yard. The Gard covers 4,000 square feet, which is 80 feet forward by 50 feet wide, and features a motion detector for automatic operation. It also comes with a 30-foot power cord for continuous protection. Try the Gard in your yard or garden, under decks, or anywhere where pests are a problem. The Gard is the most effective way to get rid of your pests without chemicals or traps and works all year long. Try Gard to get rid of your pests today.
You know what?